Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use long position indicators on TradingView. So let's just quickly jump right in. Now what you guys can do here is go and select these three, and here as you guys can see written long position and short position, you can add star to them, and here you can easily access it from there, this bar, and it's quite useful and easy to do. And once you have done that, now to use a long position indicator, we'll go here and select this. For example, if we put it right here, not like this, right, we can go here, select long position, and put it right here and right here. And now you can adjust it by swiping like this. Now this is your entry target. When the price gets here, the trades will be filled, and this is your final target. When the price gets here, your trades will be closed, and when this is your stop target. When the price gets here, your trades will be stopped. And that's how easily you can set a long position indicator. Of course, you can explore more in it. It's totally on you, on your trading skills. And that's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.